Hola, bienvenida everyone. Hello, welcome everyone. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. Guys, welcome to our next video tutorial in which you guys learn some new words and some new sentences related to food. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you complete information about food in Spanish. So in this video tutorial, you guys learn how can we say spicy food, sweet food, hot food, and some new words related to food in Spanish. I hope guys you are really curious to learn all of these things. So without wasting our time, let's start today's video tutorial. First of all, what we call food in Spanish? Food is called as comida in Spanish. Food is called as comida in Spanish. Guys, before starting this video, I'm gonna teach you some important point related to today's video. And that point is, if we want to say I like a single thing, I use gusta. And if we want to say I like multiple things, we use gustan here. The example of this is here. In this example, I say me gusta el sandwich. I like the sandwich. In this point, in this sentence, I'm gonna talk about one thing. So I use gusta here. Where me gusta means I like, el sandwich means the sandwich. And in this sentence, I'm talking about more than one sandwiches. So we use gustan here. Me gustan los sandwiches. Me gustan los sandwiches means I like sandwiches. Here I'm talking about more than one sandwiches. For that I use gustan here. Here I'm talking about only one sandwich, so I use gusta here. So me gusta el sandwich means I like the sandwich, or me gustan los sandwiches means I like sandwiches. So I hope guys you really understand this point. And this rule is goes for all the verb like gustar, interestan and encantar. And this same rule is applied to interestan, encantan and gustas also. The example of this is te interestan esos libros. It means are you interested in those books? Here I am talking about more than one book, so I use interestan here. So, te interestan esos libros means are you interested in those books? Guys, now I am giving you some words related to some new words related to food. So, our first word coming to you is dulce. Dulce means sweet or candy in Spanish. Dulce means sweet or candy in Spanish. Our next word is calientes. Calientes means hot or warm in Spanish. Our next word is tipo. Tipo means type in Spanish. Our next word is el plátano. El plátano means the banana in Spanish. Guys, there is one more word for banana in Spanish. We also said el banana. El banana means the banana in Spanish. Or el plátano means the banana in Spanish. So el plátano or el banana both means the banana in Spanish. Our next word is el vegetales. El vegetales. Guys, J is pronounced as H when it is followed by E or I. So when it is used before E or I, G is pronounced as H in Spanish, so it is pronounced as vegetales. So el vegetales means the vegetables in Spanish. Our next word is la fruta. La fruta means the fruit in Spanish. La papa or la patata means the potato. Guys, there are two words for potato in Spanish. That is la papa or la patata. La papa or la patata both means the potato in Spanish. So, dulce means sweet or candy. Calientes means hot or warm. Tipo means type. El plátano means the banana. El vegetales means the vegetables. La fruta means the fruit. La papa or la patata means the potato in Spanish. Or our next word is la mantequilla. La mantequilla means the butter in Spanish. La mantequilla means the butter in Spanish. Guys, double L is pronounced as J in Spanish, so it is pronounced as la mantequilla. So, la mantequilla means the butter in Spanish. El huevo. El huevo means the el huevo. Huevo means the egg in Spanish. Our next word is bolsa. Bolsa means bag in Spanish. And our next word is picantes. Picantes means spicy in Spanish. Our next word is treinta. Treinta, cuarenta and cincuenta means 30, 40, 50 in Spanish. Where treinta means 30, cuarenta means 40 and cincuenta means 50 in Spanish. And pongo. Pongo means I put in Spanish. So la mantequilla means the butter. El uva means the egg in Spanish. Bolsa means bag in Spanish. Picantes means spicy in Spanish. Renta and cincuenta means 30, 40 and 50 in Spanish. Pongo means I put in Spanish. Guys, now I'm giving you some sentences related to today's video tutorial. Our first sentence coming to you is no te encantan esos postres. It means don't you love these desserts? Where estos postres means these desserts in Spanish. Estos postres means these desserts in Spanish. And no te encantan means don't you love, where encanta means love in Spanish. If we want to say don't you love this dessert, it means no te encantan estos postres in Spanish. Our next word is queremos comer algo dulce. It means we want to eat something sweet. Where dulce means sweet in Spanish, algo means something in Spanish, comer means to eat in Spanish, and queremos means we want. So queremos comer algo dulce means we want to eat something sweet in Spanish. Our next word is queres comprar bananas. Do you want to buy some bananas? Guys, I already told you, but we say bananas in Spanish or plantanos in Spanish. We also write there platanas. Platanos, which also means bananas. So queres comprar plátanos means do you want to buy some bananas, or queres comprar bananas means do you want to buy bananas. Where plátano or bananas means banana in Spanish, comprar means to buy in Spanish, or queres means do you want. So queres comprar bananas means do you want to buy bananas. Our next sentence is estos pastales, which means these cakes. Estos pastales means these cakes in Spanish. Son muy are very, dulces means sweet. So estos pastales son muy dulces means these cakes are very sweet in Spanish. Our next word is me encanta la comida francesa. Me encanta la comida francesa means I love French food. Francesa means French. Me encanta means I love. La comida means food. So me encanta la comida francesa means I love French food. Our next sentence is necesito agua caliente para mi tea. Necesito agua caliente para mi tea means I need hot water for my tea. Where mi tea means my tea. Para means for, caliente means hot, agua means water in Spanish, and necesito means I need. So necesito agua caliente para mi té. I need hot water for my tea. Our next sentence is I. I means there are or there is in Spanish. So I means there are or there is in Spanish. So guys, this word is pronounced as I in Spanish, which means there are or there is. And muchos means many in Spanish. Tipos means types. De comida means of food. Aquí means here. So hay muchos tipos de comida. Aquí means there are many types of foods. Of foods here. There are many types of food here. Hay muchos tipos de comida aquí. Our next sentence is me encanta los sandwiches. Sandwiches caliente. I love hot sandwiches. Me encanta los sandwiches calientes means I love hot sandwiches. Our next word is necesito comprar fruta hoy. I need to buy fruit today. Where hoy means today, fruta means fruit, comprar means to buy, necesito means I need. So I need to buy fruit today means necesito comprar fruta hoy. Our next sentence is a los niños means children in Spanish. A los niños means children in Spanish. Les gusta means like. La mantequilla means butter. So if we want to say children's like butter, how can we say that in Spanish? A los niños les gusta la mantequilla. A los niños les gusta la mantequilla. Children's like butter in Spanish. Our next word is esta bolsa. Esta bolsa means this bag. Esta bolsa means this bag in Spanish. Tienes papas. Has potatoes. Esta bolsa tiene papas means this bag has potatoes. Our next word is ellos tienen que comprar más arroz. They have to buy more rice. Where arroz means rice in Spanish, más means More in Spanish, comprar means to buy, tiene que means have to, ellos means they. So ellos tienen que comprar más arroz. Arroz means rice. They have to buy some rice. Ellos tienen que comprar más arroz. They have to buy some rice. Our next sentence is nunca comemos uvas. Nunca comemos uvas. Uvas means eggs in Spanish. Uvas means eggs in Spanish. Comemos means we eat. Nunca means never. Nunca means never. Comemos means we eat. So if we want to say we never eat eggs, how can we say that? Nunca comemos uvas. Our next sentence is quiero comer algo picante. I want to eat something spicy. Picante means spicy. Algo means something. Comer means to eat. Quiero means I want. Quiero comer algo picante. I want to eat something spicy. Our next sentence is donde pongo las papas? Where do I put the potatoes? Donde means where, pongo means do I put, las papas means the potatoes in Spanish. Donde pongo las papas means where do I put the potatoes. Guys, so that's all for today. I hope you really like my video. If you really learn something from my videos, please like, share and comment on languages for all channels, and please subscribe to my channels. So till then, adios and gracias por mirar. Bye and thank you for watching.